Hello everyone, welcome to yet another pre-market report. In this video, we are going to see how Nifty is going to perform on budget day and what to expect in budgets. So without any further delay, let's get started. But before that, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and clicking the bell icon for instant notifications. Also, do join our Telegram channel where we are giving instant updates regarding the stock market, and also if there is any breakout stock, daily intraday stocks are being posted there. So guys, let's now check the Nifty technically first, and this is the Nifty daily chart, and technically the Nifty is looking bearish for me. That is because in 17,380 resistance zone there was a drop yesterday, and as you can see the candle is also looking not that bullish, and it has exactly taken the resistance at 17,380 range, and it has came down a bit yesterday. But yesterday was a 200 points gap up due to the good global cues. Market sustained the gap, but it didn't move much. So we have to wait and watch what the budget is going to do. But in my opinion, being a budget day, the technicals is not going to work that much. And as you can see, the global market it is also looking strong because Nasdaq was up by 469 points, and the European markets was also in a good range, and SGX Nifty is indicating a gap up of about 120 to 140 points, and if that is going to happen, we are definitely going to break this 17,380 range, and we may cross 17,500, but still 17,600 is also a resistance zone. If we are crossing this particular resistance zone today itself with huge movements in the market, we are definitely in for a treat in the near future, and we can see the next resistance levels once it is coming to that levels. And for Bank Nifty, yesterday also it was kind of a flat day, and I'll switch it to 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, yesterday there was a movement, but also it ended almost flat, and this is a small trend forming in the 15 minutes time frame. Basically this is a bearish formation, but still, and we are going to have some good news. So I'm expecting the market to be bullish today. And yesterday the FII has sold for about 3624 crores, but the DAI has covered up that with 3648 crores. So yesterday's was a kind of net buy around 24 crores, and you can see in Nifty when there was European markets get opened, there was a steep fall, but then the DAI is covered up it with good amounts. Even then there was a sell off during the last 30 minutes of market, but we don't need to worry about that now. We have to just wait for the budget outcomes. So the second part of the video is about what to expect in budget. The first thing I'm expecting as a trader is regarding the crypto bill. Around 4 or 5 months back there was a news that the crypto bill is going to be passed in the parliament, but still in previous session it was not passed. So I'm expecting that this budget could be the day. And the second thing is the income tax benefits. The section 80C of income tax act says that we can have tax exemptions for about 1.5 lakhs, and this 1.5 lakhs is going to be in the same range, or they are going to increase the level. We have to check for that. So the third point is regarding the agricultural sectors. As you all know, there were huge problems going on in the agriculture sectors. What is the government going to do to rectify that? And we have to develop our agriculture sectors to increase the GDP also. And the fourth point is regarding the medium to small scale industries, what benefits they are giving to them, and how they are going to develop the medium scale industries. The fifth point is regarding reducing the unemployment. We have to check if there is any announcement regarding the unemployment, and they are making any plans to get people employed in much range. And the next point is regarding if there is any new incentive schemes for any other production industries or any other kind of industry. So, and the last points are about how they are going to reduce the deficit of government, and is there any improvement in PLI schemes or capex funds, how they are going to use that, how people are going to get skilled using those. So I'm expecting some good measures from the government regarding all of the points I have mentioned that. But still, I'm waiting for one more thing, that is whether there is going to be any measures for foreign portfolio investors to get back soon. So that's it, guys. I'm not going to take any trade today till 12 p.m. or 12:30 p.m. Once the budget is start coming out, and if there is news regarding any of the sectors, I may select some stocks there. But still, the technically good intraday stocks are being posted in our Instagram page and Telegram channel. So please do join there. Make sure you are liking this video, sharing it with your friends, and also please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.